Hello world, I'm Patricia. I'm on my way home from Portugal where I spent a week shooting with these two guys. Now traveling home from Geneva Airport to Zurich main station. No, Vodka, I'm trying to work here. Oh, come on, move your beep! And that's me. I'm an actress.
Do you bite your nails?
Ich kann denen irgendwie helfen. Jemandem anrufen.
Nein.
A model. And, yeah, well, you'll see. I enjoy traveling by train because you can look outside of the window while chilling. Well, if a train isn't crossing. Learn lines for theater, short films, feature films, crime scene games. Sometimes I need to go to the bathroom.
Grange Nord moet je helemaal over Val, menteur 49 de Vadeur, vis-à-vis, Liesbern, menteur 52 de Wasser. Geschätzte Fahrgäste, wir treffen in Biel auf Gleis 3 ein. Ausstiegsseite Fahrtrichtung links. Ladies and gentlemen, we are arriving at Biel on track 3. Leave the train on the left-hand side of traveling direction.
Well, this is basically what you call Switzerland. We're multilingual. And yes, I'm in a toilet.
We have amazingly decorated train toilets. Even different designs.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are arriving at Zurich main station on track 14. Take the train on the left-hand side of traveling direction. Terminus of this train, all passengers are kindly requested to leave the train.
Finally arrived and super tired now. I'm looking forward for my own bed. Tomorrow I need to be at 9 o'clock in Lucerne. Gonna be a hard wake up.
It's 6 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, I have very nice rims under my eyes. I try to do my best to cover them up and then get dressed, get ready to go to Lucerne for the crime scene.
This is Chia. She knows I'm leaving soon and therefore she wants to inspect everything.
In today's game, I have 2 different parts to play. Therefore, I need to take 2 outfits with me.
Welcome to Lucerne. Okay, well, done. Glasses, tiny fringe, and that one, quite red.
Waiting now for the first group to come to investigate. I hope they like it. They find me because sometimes it's a little difficult. You have to watch out for me. Still waiting. Now it really started to rain. Well, that's part of the job. You need to be weatherproof. I'm watching out for the investigators. Part 2 of the game. Changed clothes and place. And here we go. Behind me there's the object of desire. Tomorrow I go there to collect some fresh strawberries and I'll make a very delicious cake.